We'll guide you through how to fix the issue of Gmail emails not being received. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Gmail account on your desktop by going to gmail.com and logging in if you aren't already. Once you're in, you need to check your spam folder. Sometimes emails get mistakenly categorized as spam. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click on More to expand the menu, then select Spam. If you find emails there that should be in your inbox, select them and click on Not Spam at the top. This tells Gmail not to send those emails to spam in the future. Next, ensure that your inbox isn't full, which can block new emails from being received. Check your storage usage by hovering over the bottom left corner where it shows your storage percentage. If you're near the limit, consider deleting old emails or large attachments. You can search for emails with large attachments by typing "has attachment larger 10 MB" in the search bar and deleting any unnecessary ones. Another step is to check your filters. Go to the settings gear icon at the top right, click on See All Settings, then go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Make sure there aren't any filters that might be automatically archiving or deleting your emails. If you see any suspicious filters, remove them. Finally, check if forwarding is enabled. Go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab in Settings and ensure that no unknown forwarding addresses are listed. If you're using any email clients, like Outlook or Apple Mail, make sure they're configured correctly too. Sometimes misconfigurations can cause emails to be downloaded but not shown in Gmail. By following these steps, you should resolve most issues related to not receiving emails in Gmail. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.